Hey guys, what's up everybody? It's your Shaby back again with a new video. So in today's video, I'll be just reviewing the Mokee Rom which I installed about 3 weeks earlier, and it runs on Android 7.1.2. I'll show you just a second. Yeah, it's 7.1.2, no good, and the security patch also of December 2018. So that's fine, and as you can see the build date and kernel versions. And the most important query that I'm going to resolve today, it's that many of you guys install Mokee Rom in Redmi 1s, but you aren't able to use gaps, but still I'm able to use it. So I'll be showing you how to do it. See, just a second, you know. So it's running on 7.1.2. So I'll just tell you, I'll just provide you a link of a gaps package that I just found on internet, and the name of the file is signed something was written there. I don't quite remember it, but I'm gonna tell you guys that the camera of this app is just flawless. It's just flawless. Yeah, see, just a second. See, yeah, see, at 8 megapixel camera, you just getting quite a bit of it. So it's working fine, and the games are running also in fine. I'm using Spotify in India, and that's also working fine. I'm using Hotstar and Paytm, and even Paytm is working fine. As you get an option in the developer option. If you haven't enabled it, just enable it by getting into the build number and tapping it. See, tap it for the 5 to 6 times. When I have done it, so it's not required for me. Just a second, it's not focusing. Just a second, guys. Yeah, it's focused. So just click on the build number for 5 to 6 times, and it will enable development option. So just click on development option. Now here you can just select advanced restart. I haven't, because I don't need root right now. No, I need root, but I don't need that. And over here you can just disable root, enable root, and apps and ADB. So this is the video of Mokee Rom, and all the things are working fine. The battery backup is just awesome when you just click to power saving mode. In just a second, I'll show you it. See over here, it's running on efficiency, and as soon as you click on, just swipe it up to power save and extreme power save mode, then the battery is going to last for 2 days. Yeah, you heard it correct. 2000 mAh battery for 2 days, but the performance is just worst. It's worst. I'm gonna say it's worst. Just click and just don't click on it. And in performance mode, and battery is going to drain very fast, but the performance is just awesome. And one more thing, and if you enable performance mode, the battery hitting issue of this one will start. So I'll just move it to balanced mode. Balance, yeah, efficiency, yeah, that's it. So if you're running on efficiency, that's also quite good, and the battery backup is, you can have it for 1.5 day full. if you, it depends on your usage, because I just stream Spotify, YouTube, and Hotstar, and something about banking in the Paytm wallet. That's it. And the most likely feature of this app is that I liked about the ROM is the audio effects. So it can't be used on speakers. The bass can't be used on speakers, phone speakers. Yeah, say effect not available for speaker mode. As soon as you just insert a earphone, you just nail the awesome, the bass of this ROM is just awesome, and it will enhance the bass. If you have an awesome earphone, or just a quite simple earphones from Xiaomi, or one more, you'll just have a awesome bass. And if you're using an Apple earpods or AirPods, nothing matters. I use earpods, and the sound was quite amazing. That's it. And in screen recorder you can even record the internal sound recording that isn't available for every phone. And there's an option of terminal window also, it's there. I'm not using it. I don't use stuff like that. And everything is working fine. Gallery is also there. And just a basic, when you install that sign cap, so you'll just get a basic play store and all the frameworks running on this Mokee Rom. So that's it, guys, for this quick review on Mokee Rom. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. And please subscribe, like, and share my YouTube video. Thank you, guys.